Hello, my name is Dr. Gustavo San Roman, and this video will show you just how easy it is to create your free cesarean rate history. First, start at our homepage at www.birthrisk.com. Then select from the links on the left to become a member. Please read our terms and conditions, and once you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, click on this box and this will allow you to create a username and password. Please remember your username and password, as you will need the username and password in the next step. Once you've created your username and password, click on Next to select the type of account. Note that you can select a free 24-hour account, and this will give you free access to your cesarean rate history. Enter your username and password, and that brings you to the member homepage. Once you're on the member homepage, click on the Manage Profile link, and this will bring you to the page where you can enter your information. Enter your date of birth either by typing it or selecting it from the calendar. Enter whether or not you've had a prior vaginal delivery, and note that there are instructions at each level where you can get more information of how to fill out a particular field. Enter the information for your pregnancy, and note that if you are not pregnant, you can actually obtain a cesarean rate history. If you're not pregnant, your weight before the pregnancy would be your current weight. Use today as your due date. Add 25 pounds to your most recent weight, and use again today as the date for that most recent weight. Remember, if you're pregnant, use the actual numbers to fill out these fields. If you're not pregnant, use your current weight for the weight before this pregnancy. Use today's date for the estimated due date and the date of the most recent weight, and add 25 pounds to create your most recent weight. Once you have entered that information, you can select the location where you think you're going to deliver. And each time you select a location, notice the page refreshes, and it does so that we can provide you with the current information for that location. If when you get to your hospital you do not see your obstetrical care provider, select Not in List, and that will notify us that that person needs to be entered. You will have the opportunity to enter a name when you make that selection. Once you've entered the information, click on the Submit button, and this gives you the opportunity to review the information that you have submitted. Once you have submitted the information to us, you will be able to create your report. You can get 3 reports, one for a baby at the average weight, one for a baby that is smaller, and one for a baby that is bigger, to give you an idea of what happens depending on the size of your baby. Please be patient and don't press the back button, as this will confuse the program. This is your cesarean rate history, and remember, this is what's happened to the last 100 women with physical characteristics matching those that you've entered, and this is not a prediction of what is going to happen to you. It is a history of what has happened in the past. Note that the cesarean rate history gives you 3 columns of information. The first column is for all types of labor, whether spontaneous or induced. The next column is for women in spontaneous labor, and the last column is women who were induced. And note that being induced usually results in more cesarean deliveries. The weight that is being used as the estimate is listed in the table down here. This is all it takes to create your cesarean rate history, and we hope that you find it as easy as we do. Thank you for your time.